How to delete threads from Instagram bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can delete threads from Instagram bio. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to remove the threads or delete completely the threads account from your Instagram bio, these are the process you may follow. Just head over to your Instagram account. After that, simply go to your profile, and here you should be able to find your threads account. Simply tap on the threads account, and you just need to delete your whole threads account in order to remove it from your bio as well. Just head over to the threads account. After heading there, you can find a profile at the bottom right. Just tap there and tap on the two line at the upper right corner. After that, you'll be able to find account section here. Just tap on deactivate or delete profile. I'm just going to tap on delete profile. After that, confirm it, and your threads profile content, likes, followers will be hidden before it is completely deleted from your profile. If you don't reactivate it before 30 days, your profile will be completely deleted from your threads account. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to delete your threads account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.